Welcome to a Fortnite skin collection dating back to the beginning, Season 1 of Fortnite, with OG skins, every exclusive skin that's ever been released, and skins that would never return to the Fortnite item store. A total collection of over $10,000 worth of skins. This is one of the most complete Fortnite skin collections on one account on the whole of YouTube. If you're excited to see all of my skins, spend a second clicking the big fat thumbs up button, and for everyone that likes the video, I'm going to be giving away 5 gift cards so you can get your own V-Bucks on PlayStation, Xbox, PC, mobile and Switch. So in total, 25 of you guys that will be hitting that like button will be